Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the brake light switch on Chevy Equinox. This generation right here from year 2010 to year 2017. Guys, today we'll be checking multiple fuses relays. You will see why. And by the way, we'll share information about hidden fuse boxes, information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information, guys, in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. Brake light switch, fuses and relays, guys, we'll show you where you can expect to find it. Oh, quick, before you waste your money on a new brake light switch, do not buy one until you test it. We will have videos how to test brake light switch. On some modern cars, you may actually even have to calibrate brake light switch to work properly too. We'll have video how to do that as well. But the brake light switch is the device on the brake paddle that detects that you apply the brakes. The fuses and relays for it now. Let's demonstrate on that Chevy Equinox here. Guys, quick advice from us. 9 out of 10 owners do not know we have hidden fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. We need to open the hood and facing the engine here on the right side. Guys, see that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it on the right side is the main engine fuse box. You have a tap here, a tap there. Open that cover and underneath, guys, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Brake light switch now system, let me show you something. It's part, guys, of the traction ABS brake module and traction control module. This is the computer, guys, that regulates everything for your brakes. That's the whole assembly with the valve body and the ABS pump right here, guys. Now you need to check the fuses, relays for that system, where they're located. Then we'll explain what else you need to check. Make sure to stand till the end. First, you may have all of them or some of them depending on the year, model and configuration, but you may have fuse number 3 on some models right here. Also, guys, you may need to check fuse number 13 right here. Check that fuse. And then you need to check fuse number 16, that one right here. If you still have problems with the brake light switch not communicating, not working, the brake light switch is actually new, it's in good condition, it's still not working, of course check the connector, but also you may want to check the BCM, body control module fuses relays, and the engine computer fuses and relays. If you do not know where they're located, we'll have the video on the channel that will, guys, teach you about that too, but all these systems communicate and work together too. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, the interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.